Assalamu alaikum. Today's inshallah I will explain to you the Arduino Simulator. So I will send you the link of this website. What you have to do is just create an account, then log in. You will be directed to this page. From the sidebar, choose circuit, then create new circuit. This is the platform. Here the components. You can choose the basic components or all the components. This is all the components that you may need. You can choose the Arduino type that you want. In our experiment, I will choose the Arduino Uno, this one. This Arduino, okay, has a 3 power supply input, either by this USB cable, or by the external plug, or by a battery. So if you have a battery, for example this one, I will connect the plug cable to the ground, and this one to the power input. So by using VN and the ground, I can connect the external source. But since the simulator allows this cable to be inserted here, then it will be powered. So once I click start simulation, this one will go here and the electricity will be on. So no need for this one. This battery is 9 volt, but the USB cable is 5 volt. This one, as far as I remember, 9 volt. Once you connect the power supply either by this one or this one or this one, you can get 5 volt directly from here, stable 5 volt, or 3.3 volt from this port. So if you have a diode, you want to connect it to 5 volt, you can take the power supply directly from here. This is the digital input output. If you have so all these terminals from 0 to 13 can be work as digital input or digital output. So you can send a signal, send a digital signal, or receive a digital signal. So you can send 0 or 1 and receive 0 or 1. So if you have a switch, okay, switch is a digital input. So if you click it, either 0 or 1, you can use it with these terminals. If you have a diode, you want to send a current to it, you can use these ports. You can send either on or off. This is the analog input digital. So if you have temperature sensor that sense the temperature, or variable resistor, you can adjust the resistance by the knob. So this is not a digital, this is an analog. So you use it in this terminal. But since if your application use a switch, use a digital. So depend on the type of the input or output. If it is analog, use this terminal. If it's digital, use this terminal. This small wave beside the number represents the pulse width modulation. If we have a light and we want to dim this light, either increase the brightness or decrease the brightness, we use these terminals only. So if I have, like, for example, one light, I want the light to be 0, 50% on, 75% on, full shining, 100% on. I cannot use it with this terminal. I have to use 11 because it's allow the pulse width modulation. So if you go to the file that I have sent to you in page 44, I guess, you will find the circuit. Okay, the first circuit. You can use it here to just learn how to work with Arduino. So in that circuit, if you are following the file that I have sent, you will find that you need to have a diode and a resistor. You can search here whatever you want. Switch, for example, switch, this one, push button. Okay, you will see that this leg is connected to terminal 13, and this leg is connected to the resistor, and from the resistor to the ground. This is our circuit. Okay, no need for power supply because this one will power the circuit. So this is my only circuit. So what about the code? If you come to the code, okay, you can copy the code. Just for don't use the block, use the text. So let's see this code. This code allows you to void setup. Now I will set up my Arduino bin mode. I will choose number 13 because I used this one. Okay, and I will use it as an output, not input. So I will use it as an output. I will send a signal from it. I will not receive anything. If it is input, I will change this one to input. If I change this one to here, okay, I will change this one to 12. Now void loop, okay, this is the loop. Digital write from port 13 high. So send the signal to let the diode on. Then delay 1000. So wait for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. After that, digital write low. Cut the power. Cut the power from port 13. Then wait 1 second. Then circulate these commands so to make a loop. So the loop will start. Digital write 13, so on, wait 1 second, off, wait 1 second, on, wait 1 second, and so on. This is the loop. So I will start the simulation, and you can see, look, on 1 second, off, on 1 second, off, on 1 second, off. If I choose the port to be 12, I'll start the simulation. I will change it to 12, the port. Then I will start. Nothing will happen. Why? Because the signal is sent from here and no wire is connected here. So if I remove this wire and connect the leg to port 12, start the simulation, this LED light will work. And you can just explore the file that I have sent and construct all the circuits here, modify the code here, and you will see this simulator is exactly the same as you have an Arduino kit. So just learn from this simulator until you receive your Arduino kit. Thank you so much.